Do you want to raise dogs but not sure where to start? Whether it's for eggs, meat, or just the joy of having them around. This video will guide you step by step on how to raise dogs the right way. Let's get into the video. Step 1. Why raise dogs? Dogs are one of the easiest poultry birds to raise. They are hardy, they grow fast, and they lay large nutritious eggs. They are also natural pest controllers, eating slugs and insects in your yard. Plus, they are fun and full of personality. Step 2. Choosing the right breed. Choosing the right breed is very important, whether it is for eggs or meat or both. Step 3. Housing and space. Housing and space. Of course, you cannot bring them and leave them stranded. You need to give them shelter. Dogs need a safe, dry shelter, something that protects from bad weather. Dogs love water, but they don't need a full pond. They don't need a full pond. Step 4. Feeding your dogs. For ducklings, start with non-medicated chick starter to grower to layer feed, depending on their diet, with greens, green and kitchen scraps like peas, corn, and vegetables. Always provide fresh, clean water. Dogs need water to swallow food properly. Step 5. Health and care. Keep their living space clean and dry to prevent diseases. Watch for signs of illnesses like limping, cloudy eyes, or low energy. Adding a little apple cider vinegar to their water once a week can help support good health naturally. Step 6 now, which I call bonus tips. Dogs love to forage, so give them access to grass and bugs when you can. Spend time with them daily and you will be surprised how friendly they can get. And always provide a shaded area, especially during hot weather. Raising dogs is fun, easy, and rewarding. Is it for eggs, meat, or you may decide to do both. I can assure you that it can be so rewarding. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave your dog questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and your support. Till I come your way next time with another poultry farming tips. And I have so many videos on my channel that you need to watch. Is it how to start layer farming, how to start broiler farming, how you can cure diseases organically without spending on their medicine. You can go through my channel and I have so many videos on how to start